Class 1 today's new topic is proportion. So first you have to understand what is proportion. Class, if you have two ratios, 2:4 and 4:8. So 2:4 means class 2/4 and 4:8 means class 4/8. So class, if you simplify this, then you can get 1/2, and if you simplify this, then you also get 1/2. It means class 2/4 is equal to 4/8, or we can say 2:4 is equal to 4:8. So class, when two ratios are equal, then we can say they are in proportion. They are in proportion. So a proportion is an equation that states that two ratios are equal. Hope you understand. So whenever we are talking about proportion, we are talking about two ratios which are equal to each other. Now it's important, class, we can write the symbol of proportion by this. So it means 2:4 proportion to 4:8. And here it's important, these two outer numbers are called extremes and these inner numbers are called means. So outer numbers are called extremes, inner numbers are called means. And class, the multiply of extreme, which is 2 into 8, is always equal to the multiply of means. So 2 into 8 is equal to 16 and 4 into 4 is equal to 16. So multiply of extreme is equal to multiple of means, is always equal to each other. So we can say, class, product of extreme is equal to product of means. Remember this, class. Now our next topic is continued proportion. So as I told you earlier, proportion means, class, if I am talking about 2/4, so that is equal to 8/16, because 2/4 means 1/2 and 8/16 also means 1/2. So these two ratios are in proportion. We can say 2:4 proportions with 8:16. Understand, this is proportion. But class, if I am talking about 2/4 is equal to 4/8, so what is the meaning of that? 2:4 is proportion with 4:8. So we can say 2, 4, 4 and 8 are in proportion. Understand, class? Or in short, we can say 2, 4 and 8 are in proportion. So what is the meaning of that? 2, 4, 8 are in continued. So what is the meaning of that? 2, 4 and 8 are in continued proportion. And continued proportion means, class, 2:4 proportion 4:8. When three terms are in the continued proportion, the meaning is the middle number make a ratio with the first term also, and the same middle number or middle term make a ratio with the last term also. And this 4 is called mean proportion. Understand, class? So you can see 8 2 just 16, multiple of extreme, and multiple of mean proportion is 4 into 4. So this 4 indicate the mean proportion.